Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a feature for ScrapDivaDesigns.com. This is her information here. She has an Instagram, a YouTube. Here is the hashtag. She also has a TikTok. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters, as well as check out ScrapDivaDesigns.com. She has so much inspiration on her website, so check that out. So we have a lot of projects to go over. This is my weekly project for my design team package. So let's go ahead and get on into it. First, we're going to start with the bow-shaped bag topper. So it is called bow bag topper, and you get two different sizes, a small and a large, as well as all of the layering pieces and the base. So this is what the bag topper looks like here. So there are 4 layers to it. What you do get is the base. The pink is a layer, the turquoise is also a layer, and then this greenery here is also a layer, and they're all popped up on foam adhesive, so you can give it some dimension. These leaves here are also Scrap Diva. It's called flower die. Well, it's just called flower. So it's a flower die set, and you get so many pieces to this. Let me show you. This is it here. You get so many more leaves. I'm missing the leaves. They went under my desk, but it's going to be hard for me to get it out. But excuse the sticky mess here, but this is what the leaves look like, and the flowers. It's called flower, and it's a die set. So if you're interested, you could check that out as well. That is not part of my design package today. That was from last year, so they're still available as well. So just in case you want to get this greenery here, you can get that as well. So this bag topper also has the capsella leaves in the back in gold. So let me pull the capsella leaves out, and this is it here. And you get 6 pieces in that, and you get so much, you guys. So 6 pieces, and I did do a card on that. So this is it here, and I love that it comes with a 3-piece, 2 3-pieces, and then it comes with the 2 single pieces here. So that's the capsella leaves that I used on that bag topper as well. So here is the larger bag topper here. I did it the same. Here's the inside. I did do some stitching on the hole here, the holder. So cute. That would be amazing on you know, some cards. If you're doing like some craft fairs, put it on top of, put this in a bag, put this the bag topper right on top of the bag, and ta-da, you got an amazing bag topper for your card. Okay, so next in this are these dies here. These are the spring word dies: wishes, bunny, bloom, Easter, spring, and blossom. Okay, so these come in, this is spring words number 2, and it comes with 12 pieces. So what you get is you get the word, and you also get the backing for the word. So you can use it either or with the backing or without the backing. And I've done both. You can also use this on paper. You can also use it on acetate as I have been. I just love how it looks on acetate. Kind of resembles the acetate by Maggie Holmes. And I just love it. So you get all of these pieces, 6 in total. So you get the backing and the word, and these are it right here. All of this here. You can put them on some cards, or you can put them on the bag topper as well. I added the bunny here because of Easter, but you can also put a word piece down here, or right here, or just hanging here. Anywhere, anything goes with this, but you can also put it in here, like tucked in there. Easter, how cute would that be? And next are these beautiful flowers. I just love these flowers. So these flowers, you get so many pieces. Oh my goodness. Let's get into that. So this is called an edge flower die. So you get multiple sizes, and you get 4 of each size, and that's 3 sizes in total. My cat He wants to play really bad. So here is the pink and a blue. So I did the large, and the leaf is for my stash. I will have it linked below if you'd like, but I love the flowers, and since we're on flowers, I did also wanted to show you some that I did last year. These ones were from last year, and I just love them as well, and I still have yet to use them. I keep my flowers in this little bin here, and when time comes I use it. So here's some flowers here that I made, and I will have that flower linked below. It's called the heart flower die, so I will have it linked below, but this is from last year, and I just wanted to share with you because I had them out. So yeah, and then next is the keychain display. This is what it looks like here. You get the base right here, and you also get the layering piece. Yes. So here is the keychain display here on my Instagram. I had some keychains on them. This keychain was made by Solo Crafts. I will have her linked below. So she made this amazing keychain here. I just love it. A little chunky charm. It has a bee on it. I just thought it went well with this display to share with you guys, and as well as this one here by Poochie Tats. I will have her linked below as well. She made this one right here. It is a swan, and we were in a group swap, and I thought it went well with this project as well. So let me get the other one. So here is the pink and the blue butterfly, also flourish, and they also have the capsella leaves, and I also added some flowers from my stash that I already have in here. So much here. I've used a lot. I still have a lot. This is my own flowers, and some gifted as well, but I have another bin. So I really need to get into my flowers, and that's why I have these other flowers out, and I just thought, hey, they're still available, so I thought I would share that with you. So this is the keychain display, and what I also loved about it is that you can add a bag. It doesn't have to be for a keychain. It could also be for gifting flowers, and so if you want to give some flowers like so, it would be amazing looking as well. So it would look really nice like that with a bag, using a bag with it. Okay, so the next thing that I did make in my weekly projects are some bows, and I was experimenting with colors, and that's what I do. You can kind of see my pattern if you've been following me. I will go with all the colors that I'm into, and then out of nowhere I have this bold color. And so I just do that because sometimes I get bored of what I'm making, and I just need some diversity. And so I did make this hot pink and yellow bow. This is also ScrapDiva Designs. So here is the die for the bows. These ones are called Heart Bow. They come with 18 pieces. So you do get the bottom piece with the base and the layer. You get the actual bow with the base and the layer. You also get the middle portion of the bow with the base and a layer for each of them, as you can see here. Different layers. I did add some stitching and different colors you can use for the base, as well as for the ribbon part of the bow. So just mix and mingle with it. You can also add a flower in the middle. You can add a cabochon to the middle as well. Let me get one of these roses here. Maybe it'll pop a little bit more for you. But this one also I made with the ScrapDiva Designs border dies from last year. You could put a bow right there, and so you could just create anything with it. Add some sprigs to it. Here's a leaf piece that I did a fussy cut on. So just get fancy with it. You can also add some charms to them, and they just look really nice. You could also add some embroidery thread if needed, some knots as well. So that would look great. Okay, so next is, real quick, since we're on flowers, I want to share this here. This die is still available, and I will have it linked below, but you get so much to it. And the reason why I'm showing this, because you can add it with these here. So if you want to layer up on your flowers, you are able to do that with this die here. And let me share with you. I'm just going to use this one from my last project just to share with you how you could layer up. So this is my last project that I made. And so if you can see here, you can layer up these flowers right on top of the edge flower dies just to create diversity in your flowers. But I just love it. Let me look at another one here, back here maybe. Let's see, a yellow one, because yellow goes with the, oh, everything's falling out. Let's see here. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the flourish collection right now. Okay, so look at that. You see, you just add it right smack on in the middle, and oh, so pretty, you guys. So that was my last project. I just love these flowers. I just wanted to share with you because just in case you are into flowers and need a flower stash, there's more flowers that she has available. And that's why I took these out too, just in case that you would be interested. That is it, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, link them below. Oh, someone asked on these sheets, these magnetic sheets, they're very bendable and flimsy, but they do hold the die. I like it. They wanted to know where they got them from. I got them from Amazon. And the only thing that you will encounter, just in case you're not aware, but there will be scratches from the dies from taking them off and on and sliding them. Your dies, not just ScrapDivas, any die would scratch the magnetic sheet. I'm not sure if it's because it's this sheet, but the back, it has a sticky back. So I just want to show you that because the back isn't magnetic, it's just the front. And so yeah, Amazon here, I got 3 here that I've been holding on. I have more, just use these for videos. So you guys, if you love any of these projects, check out ScrapDivaDesigns.com. Use my discount code so you can save at checkout. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.